Hi, this is Daniel from Full Frame Systems, and in this video we are going to be going over how to change team members' calendar colors to be easier to differentiate them at a glance, as well as how to operate the calendar in an efficient manner. First, we need to get to the calendar itself. Simply click on the calendar item in the side navigation menu. Now let's start by changing our team members' calendar colors. This is super simple, and all you have to do is click on the little circle in front of their names. This will show a new modal with a color picker, which can easily be changed by clicking on the color spectrum and adjusting using the bar on the right hand side. You can also input a hexadecimal or RGB value at the bottom of the color picker if you know it. Now let's take a look at the rest of the calendar and how it functions. You will see that there are 4 viewing options for your calendar in the top right corner: schedule, month, week, and list. The schedule is the default view, and it is similar to that of a day view in that it will show you all of the events scheduled for today. However, you can always side scroll at the bottom of the calendar to see up to a week ahead. The next option is the month view. This allows you to see the events for the entire month. Then is the week view, which shows you all the events scheduled for this week from Sunday to Saturday. Unlike the scheduler option, this does show you past days of the week, and is a more traditional weekly view. Lastly, we have the list option. This gives you a list view of all the events that are occurring in the month. Unlike the other calendars, the list option only shows days and times that contain events. Now, if you look at the top left of the calendar, you will see 3 buttons: a left arrow, a right arrow, and a today button. The left and right arrows will make the calendar go to the past and future respectively. For example, the scheduler and weekly view will show you the past week if you click on the left arrow button, and will show you the future weeks by clicking on the right arrow button, while the month and list view will go back by months or forwards by months. Finally, the today button will always bring you back to today. So if you ever get lost or simply navigate too far in one direction or the other, then simply click the today button and you will be brought straight back to today's events. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you in the next one.